All right, so let's talk about lead generation. And I know there are a lot of ways to pull business data online. I mean, some people actually make use of AI tools like ChatGPT Agent. But here is the thing: while these methods might sound cool, they are really not the best options for scraping leads. Now, let me explain why. Then I'm going to show you how Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool is a much better solution for you. Now, ChatGPT agents can technically help you scrape data, but there are some major disadvantages you should know before wasting your time and your precious money. One of it is cost. You need a paid version of ChatGPT to access this kind of feature. And I know you might be thinking the amount of money you pay for ChatGPT is actually lesser than the amount of money you'll be paying for the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. But trust me, it's going to worth it on the long run. Now, ChatGPT is going to be costing you $20 every single month, and you're not going to be getting the extra data you need. It's just like you giving ChatGPT free money actually. Now let's go to the limited offers. Now usage is restricted per query or per credit. So you're actually capped on how much data you can actually scrape. ChatGPT will not give you thousands of these things. ChatGPT would only provide you with a handful of leads. Now, complicated issues such as the scraping process will not always deliver clean result. I mean, you should know what I'm talking about, right? The first time you actually try to use the AI tool, you have to keep on running it on multiple queries to get the leads you actually want, and that can be very, very consuming and tiring. Now, the slowness of this thing is actually how painful it is when making use of AI agent to generate leads for your business. Now, depending on the complexity, it might actually take you a long time to get up to 10,000, 20,000, and 30,000. And you should know that in the business of marketing, access to leads is not something you want to get complicated. So this is why I tell people not to always use AI agents when trying to generate leads for themselves. Rather, make use of a software or a tool that has been built for that particular purpose. And that is why I like making use of the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. And with the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, trust me, this is where you're going to be having instant access to business names, phone numbers, emails, website, and many more, such as review count and so many other details you can think of, addresses, location, and precise information that you can use for your marketing purposes. So apart from all of this I just said, you can generate leads in bulk without the headaches of credit or complicated prompts. It's fast, simple, and way more reliable if you're serious about generating leads online. So if you're looking for the most efficient way to collect leads online, I want you to skip the complicated AI scraping thing, methods, and all like that, and stick to tools built for the job, just like the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool. So this is basically how it all works. And if you want to find more content on Lead Sniper, you can check out my videos where I've got a handful of these videos teaching you how to use Lead Sniper to generate leads for your business, whatever industry you're finding yourself in. Now, the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool works basically in a very simple method. All you need to do is just input the exact keywords and the precise location you're trying to get your data from. That is all you need to do, guys. No query, no prompt, nothing. All you need to do is just put in the keyword, put in the location, and click on start, and you can see the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool does all the work for you. And one of the super things I like about the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool is just the fact that you can have multiple keywords. So let's just say you want to target dentists, you want to target nurses, you want to target restaurant. You can have all of those keywords imputed together. So majorly it's just for your own preference. You use the tool the way you want to make use of it, not some AI tool telling you what to tell it before it can actually work out fine. You tell the tool what you want and it gets you the data you desire. Just like me here, you can see my scraping process has begun, and I have a lot of leads coming in already, making use of the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool. So if you want to try Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool, I'm going to be leaving the link for you down below where you can check out the tool. You can install it right into your computer as an extension. You can start making use of it to scrape online data every single day. Now, talking about its costs, now the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool has three pricing plans for you. You can see now the starter plan here is going to be costing $149, and this basically is a one-time fee. Now let's compare this particular pricing plan to that of an AI tool, where you're going to get a limited offer and you have to renew your plan every single month. I mean, it's not worth at all. But once you're able to pay $149 for a lifetime, you can have access to the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool for a lifetime. So you don't have to worry about additional fees or monthly fees or recurring fees. No, a one-time fee will get you access to the Lead Sniper tool for a lifetime. And the super thing about this again is just the fact that you pay once and you have access to a lifetime offer, and you also have access to lifetime updates. Now imagine Lead Sniper decides to add some other crazy features to their extension. I mean, do you know how super it's going to be for you to have access to it without you even thinking of paying another additional money to get access to it? It's just like that with the Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper tools, and basically all of the Lead Sniper tools. You actually have to pay a one-time fee, and you can have access to the tool for a lifetime. Now, for the popular plan costing $267, you're going to be working on 5 installations. Now, what do I mean? It means that you can use the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool on 5 different computers. So let's say you want to do something large, you want to go extra large in data scraping, you can have this extension work on 5 different browsers. So it doesn't really matter if you want to make use of one computer for this, or maybe you want to spread it out on 5 different computers. Remember that you can only use this for 5 installations. Now, the best value plan is going to be going for $389. Now look at this. This is going to be working for 10 installations, meaning I can work on one computer, another computer, up to 10 installations. So if you think you have a big computer that can actually make use of these tools on different browsers, you can try it out. But for me, I'd recommend you make use of different computers to actually enhance the lead scraping game. So this is one of the things I like about Lead Sniper, and so many people actually like making use of the Lead Sniper over AI birds. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see, if I come on a little bit, you can see a lot of top lead generation guys are giving the recommendations on Lead Sniper, and I tell you through, you want to start making use of Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper when you want to start extracting leads online for your business or for your marketing purposes, including me telling you that Lead Sniper is one of the best tools you can find out there when it comes to data scraping. So if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. Tell me what you feel about the Lead Sniper tool in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to respond to every of your questions. Please take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.